New at 10, coronavirus and job safety concerns. Channel 5's Christian von Preissing with legal advice regarding unemployment.
As this has gone on, we've heard some of your concerns from different places. Concerns about employers making people work too closely, or not sanitizing, or not complying with social distancing rules. Well, here's something you should know. In Texas, you can't usually collect unemployment if you've been fired for a reason, or if you decided to quit. But if you have a concern about how your workplace is following social distancing,
you need to address it with your employer.
That's the first step, says Zone Wynn, a labor lawyer in Laredo. If you feel like things aren't improving, what happens if you need to collect unemployment?
Is there a category for this kind of thing?
You want to say, I had to leave employment, now ask for unemployment benefits, right? And generally you say, I had to leave because of this danger, because of just a general layoff. And then if the employer challenges it, then you can get into specifics. But
that claim is challenged by an employer. The employee may have to explain and argue what happened at a hearing at the Texas Workforce Commission. Wynn says it's important to have some information that you can share to explain what happened.
So it'd be good to take a photo, or really it'd be best if you can address it with your employer. And if that employer says, I'm not changing anything, you're not changing your shift, you just got to deal with it, then that shows that you tried and you really were constructively let go, not because you wanted to quit, because you had no other choice.
Constructively let go is a key phrase, he says. It means you didn't leave voluntarily, but had to quit because you had no choice. It can't just be your opinion alone, though. You have to show.
I'm fearful, and if anyone else would also be fearful. That's a better way of saying it. Sorry.
And that's something you'll have to be prepared to explain. And if you feel like there's something at your workplace that could put others at risk, Wynn says that you can contact OSHA. That's a federal agency tasked with investigating these kinds of things. He says those investigations can take time. Christian von Preissing, Channel 5 News at 10.